Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to edit your name in the F1 Clash application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone and then click on the home button at the bottom of the page, and then at the top of the page click on your current name, which for me is the guest 931828, and then click on the edit name button, and here you can change it to whatever you want, and then click on the confirm button, and then click on the confirm button again, and yeah, it is set. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.